Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you check your Bluetooth device name in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to check your Bluetooth device name. So as you can check in your Vivo phone, and guys now let's see how to check Bluetooth device name in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to check your Bluetooth device name, and guys scroll it, and guys click on guys your Bluetooth setting and devices, and guys click on Bluetooth. So you can see guys there is no any option to check Bluetooth device name. So guys how can you check? So first of all you will have to on Bluetooth, then guys you can see your device name. So I tap here, then guys you can check your device name, and guys you want to rename this device, so guys you can rename from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to check Bluetooth device name in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So it's now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.